Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to play the same sound through both speakers or both sides of your headphones? Your phone includes a mono audio feature that combines the left and right audio channel into a single channel, so the same sound is played on both sides. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Hearing Enhancement. Tap Mono Audio. Now, turn the feature on. Next, choose where you want to use mono audio. You can select Connected Audio, which applies mono audio only to connected headphones or speakers. Or you can choose Connected Audio and Phone Speaker, which applies mono audio to both external audio devices and your phone's built-in speaker. For this example, let's select Connected Audio and Phone Speaker. With this setting, when audio is played, the same sound is sent to both channels. This can be helpful if you prefer balanced audio, are listening with only one earbud, or want to make sure you don't miss sounds that are normally played only on the left or right side. However, if you prefer normal stereo sound again, simply return to this setting and turn mono audio off. And that's how you enable or disable mono audio on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.